Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we'll be diving deep into the world of cold emails, sharing with you some valuable insights on how to effectively use this powerful tool for B2B lead generation. So if you're ready to boost your client acquisition game, well, keep watching. Okay, so before we jump right into crafting cold emails, let's first understand what they really are. Cold emails are unsolicited emails sent to potential clients or prospects who haven't expressed prior interest in your product or service. They can be an incredibly effective way to generate new business opportunities, but only when done right. To ensure your cold emails don't end up in the dreaded spam folder, let's discuss how to create an attention-grabbing message that captures your recipient's interest from the very first line. Personalization is key. Start by addressing your recipient by name and mention something specific about their company or industry. This shows that you've done your homework and aren't just sending out generic emails. Next, craft a subject line that sparks curiosity and compels the recipient to actually open your email. Avoid generic subject lines like business opportunity and instead use something a little more intriguing like solving company name's biggest challenge, something like that. Now, in the introduction of the email, briefly introduce yourself, your company, and establish credibility. Remember, you only have a few seconds to convince your recipient to keep reading, so make it compelling. Okay, so once you've captured your recipient's attention, it's time to provide value and build trust. This is where you differentiate yourself from the competition. To do that, research your recipient's pain points and offer a solution. Show them that you understand their challenges and have a unique offering that can help them overcome those obstacles. Next, it's important to incorporate social proof by mentioning success stories, testimonials, or case studies of clients who have benefited from your product or service. This really helps build trust and credibility. At the end of your email, you want to close with a clear and concise call to action. It could be a request for a quick phone call, a demo, or a meeting. Don't forget to include your contact information for easy follow-up. Now, sending a single cold email may not always be enough. So let's discuss some effective follow-up strategies to increase your chances of getting a response. Timing is crucial. Follow up within a reasonable time frame, but avoid being too pushy. A well-timed and polite follow-up email can significantly increase your response rate. In your follow-up emails, reference your previous interactions, remind them of the value you can offer, and reiterate your call to action. Personalization shows that you genuinely care about their needs. Now, once you've started your cold email campaigns, it's important to analyze and optimize your approach for better results, so let's talk about a few ways to do just that. Track important metrics like open rates, response rates, and conversions. This data will help you identify what's working and what needs improvement. Experiment with different subject lines, email formats, and call to action language to see what resonates best with your target audience. Continuous testing and refinement can lead to higher success rates. All right, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering cold emails and B2B lead generation. Remember, effective cold emailing takes practice, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep refining your approach and tailor it to your specific audience. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks so much for watching.